Good morning everyone! Today we'll have another video tutorial using PicsArt. Start! So the one that we're going to edit today is the one with the splash effect. Let's skip this part and let's start. So let's go to Pick Canvas under Drawings. Okay, let's have the 1024 by 1024. And then let's add a photo. Click this one, then photo. Let us choose. So let's look for the splash effect. Then this one. So be sure that the splash effect is already downloaded and it is in PNG form. Anyway, I will include the link for this photo in the description of this tutorial, so you can use it also. Then click check, then resize it. But I will first rotate it. I want it to be this way. But you can have it horizontally. Mine is vertical. So if you're satisfied with the size, click this layer again on the lower left of the screen. Then add an empty layer. Then go back to the second layer, the one on the splash effect. Then make it soar, as in XOR. Okay, don't forget that. Then go back again to the first layer. That is empty. So click photo. You add the photo that you are going to use with the splash effect. Mine would be this one. So better that the photo has a good background or colorful background. So I am cropping it to reduce the size. So if you think that the size is good to go, click check. And then for the options, instead of normal, click overlay. Then go back to the layers, adjust the size of the photo. As you can see, it is already filling the space for the splash effect. Then just adjust it. If you are satisfied with the size and the placement of the picture, click this arrow on the upper right part and then either you save or you edit. So I will first edit to add effects. Edit image. So first is crop to reduce the size. Then click check. And then I'll click effects. I'll just use cozy one. Then adjust by clicking it again. I'm adjusting the fade effect. So I guess that's good to go. Then I'll click check and click the upper right arrow again and go to gallery. So it would be saved on the gallery. So it's now done. Let's go to the gallery and save for the picture. So this is the finished product of our picture with the splash effect. Thank you for watching. God bless.